Hi YouTube, this is my face. Today we're going to talk about storage and ways to get on and off the job quicker and easier. Over the past probably 6 months I've been working on this system. It's called the Milwaukee Packout system. I'm not endorsed or I paid full price for these. This doesn't help me at all. I'm not getting no kickbacks. I just want to tell you guys about the system I use, and I think it works really well. So let's just go through this real quick. So come inside and have a look with me. So in this one, this is the bottom unit, and in here I have floodlights, batteries, and I have more batteries but they're charging right now. And I also have one of these. This is just a regular drill. Right, and this is good for cleaning stairs or just doing a little bit of spot cleaning. Right, and I'm going to close these and I'm going to put it all together when we're done. Right, this lid actually stays up on its own. Right. And these lock securely. This is waterproof. So in here I've got a few more bits. Knee pads. Some pads there, green brush, vacuum attachment, and if you guys don't have one of these, get one. Really good for removing urine. Right, so let's close this one. Now this is my red remover setup. I've got my red product. My Wagner steamer. Let's close this one. Now these are the crates. These are good, you know, if you just want to throw something together last minute. So all you do is you push this button and it slides out. And in the bottom, I've got cloths, bottle. This piece goes on there. Look at that, it's locked. Little light. And here, this is the new addition. This is my carpet repairs. And in here I've got all the tools I need to repair carpets. All in one place. Nice and easy. And this locks too. So let's just say I'm going to go on a job and I had some red stairs to deal with, so I grabbed this one. That locks. And I also have a couple of repairs to do. I'm going to put this one. Right. And I'm just going to bring this just in case. This thing is totally locked, and I've got everything I need all together. Right. So this is not going anywhere, it's all locked together. And the other thing, let's just say I didn't need any of this, and all I was doing was, let's just say I was just doing some carpet repairs. Right? I can carry it like this into the job, or I can carry it like this. Lots of choices. Now this is not one of the cheapest systems you can find. Probably the most expensive. But what you got to think about is it going to serve its purpose for you? That's what's more important. So if you go with something cheap, it might not work for you. But for me, this is what works. It's dead easy to get into the vehicle. I can bungee cord it as much as I want with all these extra places to attach stuff. So that's pretty much the video, and I hope you guys find it useful. I'll see you in the next one.